Okay, so I've discovered a nice little program for Arch that actually scans everything you download and install from the AUR. So obviously we know that the AUR is being managed by just like volunteers, people that actually checks everything, make sure it works by normal users. So things can slip in there. There has been instances where there was malicious software in there that you can download and get infected. So this little program basically just scans and stops that from happening. So it's let's just make this full screen. Yeah, I'm working in my my VM here. So let's just open a Kitty. God damn it, why am I forgetting all the words? Kitty, the terminal. Right, so all you have to do is just install it. So obviously I'm using yay-s Traur. So Traur, so the AUR is in there. Right, once it's installed, you can basically just type Traur and it can show you a help menu. So you're mostly gonna use the flag scan by just typing Traur scan, and it will scan your existing AUR packages. Now on this VM there's not a lot, so it's only 4. So Brave, obviously, Traur itself, and then I don't know what that is, and yay. So it actually says trusted, okay, and okay, and it gives a rating, which is great. Right, and then you can actually scan individual packages that you have by just typing in Traur scan and the package name. But let's install something. Let's just install a small little program that we can test. So yay-s ASCII rain Github. That works now. Let's see. Okay, just some ASCII little program. Right, just unpacking, and let's just wait for it. There it is. Look at that. That is so cool. So I'm busy installing that ASCII little program, whatever it does. And just before, as you can see, it was unpacking and building it. So just before you actually install it, where you say yes, Traur actually jumps in by the form of a hook. So it detects that you want to install something from the AUR. It jumps in, it scans it, as you can see, scanning ASCII rain.get, and it says trusted. And it gives it a rating of 89 out of 100, which is not bad. And yeah, obviously if it's trusted, it's gonna install it. If it's not, it's gonna, I think it's gonna ask you if you want to install it or not. I'm not sure. I haven't actually installed something that's actually malicious. So yeah, that is a nice little layer between you and the AUR, because you just don't know what is in the AUR, and the people working there maintaining it. There's no ways they can scan and test everything that comes in. The people uploading stuff to the AOR daily, I suppose, and you know, it can break. So yeah, nice little layer, protective layer to have in between you, and it's just slipstreaming. It is slipstreamed into your whole installation, into your into your arts. So it even works when you actually update. It wouldn't, it doesn't say that it does it, but Traur, if you read up on it, it will actually scan. If there's an update to a AUR package that you have already, it's going to check it first before it installs the update. So yeah, very nice little program. I would suggest installing it. So that's it. Yeah, good.